Are you tired of manually emptying your robot vacuum, only to have to do it again a few days later? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. The Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid is currently on sale for over $100 off its original price, making it an even more attractive option for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine. The Eufy RoboVac L70 Hybrid is a powerful and efficient robot vacuum that uses advanced navigation technology to map out your home and clean with precision. But what really sets it apart is its self-emptying feature, which allows it to store up to 45 days worth of debris and dust in its large 2L dust bin. This means you can go weeks without having to lift a finger to empty the vacuum, saving you time and effort in the long run. But how much time are we talking about? Let's do a quick calculation. Assuming you empty your vacuum every 3 to 4 days, that's around 1 to 2 minutes per day. Multiply that by 365 days a year,